Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today I'm going to be unboxing this T100PK. It's made by Southwire. Should be a fun little toner to try out today. If you open up the package, you get, of course, your toner, which will have a Cat 6 end. So if you've done keystones, you can plug that in. If we're doing just black and reds or just single wire testings, as you can see, or dual wire testings, you can, with Cat 6, and I'm sure you know this, but you can strip off a couple wires and then just attach to each side so we can tone it out. As you can see, like so, bam. This is all done. What you're gonna do is open up this package. There's a instruction manual if you really need it. You've got 2 batteries within the really nice package that they've provided you. And what we're gonna do is just put a battery in each. For that, you're gonna need a Phillips. Just unscrew this screw, open it up, put the battery in, and then same with this one, just unscrew it and put the battery in. Once you have the batteries in, if you take a look here, you're going to see a negative plus. Now what this is for is, let's say you have a whole bunch of wires like so. You might not want it as intense, like listen to it. See how there's nothing? If I turn it up a bit, it's going to make it more faint for when I'm trying to pick it up, so that way I'd know. Now, if it's just a singular wire and you're buried deep in insulation, you're going to want to turn this up so that way it's much louder and it's going to try and pick it up more. Now, if you hit test, you'll see constant light is on. What that means is you're going to get that noise. If you press test again, see how it's pulsing? Now you're going to get that. I prefer pulse a lot of the time, but who knows, if some people will prefer the other one. So now the next thing that there is to do is put it on each side of the wire. After we do that, now if you were in certain situations, what you would do is, let's say you're dealing with certain wall plates, you would go to the wall plate side, put it on, and then tone it out from this side so you can label your wires. In this case, I have to find wires that are buried in a ceiling. So what I need to do is, first off, it's going to be a needle in a haystack. I need to go through each wire, attach it, and then find out which one is in the ceiling because they weren't previously labeled. You can see it's on that wire, it's toning. Now listen to the difference between this, how you know if you found the wire or not. And this is why you have to adjust your intensity sometimes. See how loud that is? Let's go over to this one. See how it's faint? So you know that wire is running along it, but you know that is not the wire, that is the wire. So now I'm going to label that one so I can troubleshoot and go on to the next wire to try and find out which one is up here. Toner's on, everything's ready to go. As you can see, if you go up here, you're going to notice, nope, nothing. I already found it, so I'm going to come over here and I'll show you. I was coming up and along here. My strongest tone is over here, but as you can see, wires like so, and the wire should be in the same location. I've got that tone. So I've used flute ones in the past, and I've used Greenlee ones, and I've used Klein ones, and so far this is it's basically par. It's a very good one. It's like 93 bucks Canadian or something like that. Got it at Lowe's. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Hope this gives you a bit of a tutorial on how to do it, and just remember to use the slider here for adjusting when doing multiple wires in a bundle like so that way you don't get all your wires mixed up. Hope this helps you out. Press the like if it did, subscribe for more.